10, 15, and 20-year systems. Mulehide self-adhering modified bitumen cap sheets are available with true SBS or APP modified bitumen on the top weathering surface with an aggressive heat and pressure-activated self-adhesive backing. Mulehide SA cap sheets or SA base sheets can be adhered directly to these substrates. New plywood or OSB rough side up, old plywood or OSB primed with 121 asphalt primer, Den's Deck Prime, Secure Rock, concrete primed with 121 asphalt primer, Structo Deck HD with primed red coating, 6-sided asphalt coated HD wood fiber, existing smooth surfaced BUR, metal primed with 121 asphalt primer, Mulehide Poly ISO, Mulehide SA base sheet, and Mulehide nail base. Mulehide offers material-only warranties for residential and commercial, along with full system NDL warranties for commercial only. Mulehide requires the installation of one layer of SA cap sheet for a 10 or 12-year system. 15-year systems require the installation of one layer of SA base sheet covered with one layer of SA cap sheet. 20-year systems require 2 layers of SA base sheet covered with one layer of SA cap sheet. Vertical flashing requirements are different than the field of the roof. 10 and 12-year systems require just one layer of SA cap sheet as the vertical flashing. 15 and 20-year systems require one layer of SA base and one layer of SA cap sheet on all vertical surfaces.